Bagi ramai orang barat, terutamanya dari Amerika Syarikat, budaya makan guna tangan di Malaysia selalu dianggap pelik dan kurang bersih sebab mereka dah biasa guna sudu dan garpu sejak kecil. Malah ada juga tokoh seperti Charlie Kirk yang pernah bagi komen negatif tentang cara makan macam ni. Tapi yang menariknya, ramai pelancong barat yang pada mulanya rasa ragu-ragu akhirnya tukar fikiran lepas cuba sendiri di Malaysia. Bukan saja tak rasa geli, malah mereka kata makanan jadi lebih sedap dan ada yang terus ketagih makan guna tangan.
What are you having?
Nasi lemak. And it tastes so much better when you eat it with your hands. Trust me.
Oh.
Guys, one of the beautiful things about Malaysia is the food. So today I'm in Kampung Baru. I'm gonna check out nasi kerabu, Kelantanese food. Let's go.
Hidup kita lah ni kena tadi. Bawa kerja tu kena jadi. Di mana-mana pun ada rezeki.
Guys, so the idea about nasi kerabu and other Malaysian food is that you gotta dig in with hand. So you mix all the ingredients, a lot of flavor all together. Apparently when you eat with hand, it tastes much better. I like my food spicy, so I put chili all around it. And then, just dig in. Very good because so many different ingredients. When you eat it, it's nice and crispy texture. So awesome food. You gotta try.
Tubuh kau kering tapi lebih vitamin. Goreng kalau tak ada.
Watch this, watch this. The one hand rip.
Oh my gosh, you're
Pretty
doing
good,
it
pretty
really
good.
nice.
First time eating roti canai. Tell me that's not good.
Is it spicy as well? Not too spicy.
Not too spicy.
Not too spicy.
It's got
It's very good.
the right level of oil. It's quite tasty, right?
I'm gonna have to take 3 sizes of clothes to Malaysia.
True.
Yeah, you will surely gain weight.
True.
It's very
Good,
good.
right? It's very oily and it's very flavorful.
It is very good.
Mom, you're doing well with the eating with the hands. It's good.
Trying.
It's good, Mom.
Trying. It tastes so good.
Ramai orang barat yang mula-mula hairan akhirnya kagum bila cuba makan guna tangan di Malaysia. Mereka rasa makanan jadi lebih nikmat, terutama sebab masakan Malaysia kaya dengan rempah dan bahan-bahan segar yang buat makanan lebih menyelah. Yang kelaknya, walaupun ada yang suka kritik budaya ni, ramai orang Amerika sendiri sebenarnya makan guna tangan bila makan hamburger, pizza dan hotdog. Ya, selama ni ada yang anggap budaya mereka paling bersih, tapi hakikatnya tak semestinya begitu. Mereka pun makan guna tangan dan ramai juga yang tak menggunakan air selepas ketandas. Dari sudut kebersihan, ramai berpendapat amalan kebersihan masyarakat Malaysia lebih terjaga. Kalau tengok dari segi makanan pula, makanan kita selalunya menggunakan bahan yang lebih segar, manakala banyak makanan segera di barat mengandungi bahan tambahan serta kandungan gula yang tinggi. Sebab itu tak heranlah kalau kadar obesiti di Amerika agak tinggi.
This is why your kids are fat, not because of seed oils, because they're eating super palatable, high in calorie, easy to eat food. So if they're eating a large majority of that, and that's mainly their diet, they're probably putting themselves in a calorie surplus. So what should you do? You should be eating more whole foods. Why? Not because it's healthier, not because of no seed oils, but it's going to fill them up for longer and minimize the chances that they're in a calorie surplus, gaining weight.
I just wanted to share something I can't stop thinking about, and that would be that not only is our food extremely overpriced, it's poison. It is literal poison. And you might say, oh, it's your algorithm. Well, you're right, but then I look everything up and it's true. So, what are we gonna do, you guys? What are we gonna do? We should be suing everyone. I want to sue everyone.
If you're wondering why America is so obese, this sign right here behind me will tell you exactly that. Deep fried Oreos. The fattiest, most processed snack that you can get. Deep fried. Funnel cake. Fried bread with powdered sugar. And whatever the fuck that is. Welcome to America.
Daripada semua fakta ni, kita boleh nampak bahawa bukan semua budaya barat semestinya lebih baik. Kadang-kadang kita terlalu mengagungkan budaya mereka seolah-olah semuanya terbaik, sedangkan tidak juga. Ada banyak perkara yang tak perlu kita tiru. Dan tentang makan guna tangan, bagi ramai orang Malaysia, ia bukan sekadar budaya semata-mata, tetapi juga satu amalan sunnah yang telah diamalkan sejak turun-temurun lagi.